Hey guys, welcome back to biology. Please make sure you are checking the daily announcements that I'm sending out. Um, Today's announcement had something about the quiz that you took yesterday. So, yesterday you had a vocabulary quiz for Unit 1. It pulled 10 of our terms for you to see how you're doing so far with those. It looks like some people did really well, some people didn't quite know where to find the vocab terms yet. So yesterday's quiz was just a practice. But next Wednesday, we're going to have another quiz over the same terms. It'll pull 10 out of the whole list. But next week, it's going to count for a grade. So please make sure when you click on daily assignment that you are reviewing these terms and that you use the Quizlet here by clicking on the little robot to practice. There are different games that you can play. You can use them like flashcards. Lots of ways to make sure that you know what these terms mean so that you'll get a great grade next Wednesday on our next quiz. So today's assignment is the task 5, the scientific method. So if you click on task 5, the scientific method, you're going to come to a virtual lab. So today we're going to talk about the process of experimentation that scientists use to explore nature and answer questions. So some areas of science are more easily tested than others, and we are going to be doing a little virtual lab with some plants so that you can do something that is easily tested. The first thing that we need you to do is we need you to watch these two videos. So the first video is going over a PowerPoint of notes. Dr. Hemmer, one of our biology teachers, is going over it for you. We also have guided notes that you can use to organize while you are watching the video. You can also take notes on your own paper. Once you're done with the first video, we have a second video called The Scientific Method, Review the Basics. I want you to also watch and take notes. This one we don't have guided notes for you because it's much shorter. Once you have watched those videos, you've taken notes on both or used our guided notes, you're going to click next in the bottom right corner to go to the second part of the assignment. So this is your next button. This assignment is going to have you download a Google slide, and you're going to work through a virtual lab activity and fill in all of the red parts. Ms. Heights has gone in and added some extra directions and reading of instructions to help you make sure you understand what is being asked of you. So when you click this, it'll ask you to make a copy, and then you're going to fill in those red parts. Once you have completed your Google Slide worksheet, you're going to click Next again. And you're going to click Submit the assignment at the top of this page. And you're going to use your Google Drive. You're going to select that Scientific Method Virtual Lab Slides and click Submit. This assignment is going to be graded using this rubric. So we're expecting that for the lab, your data table, so your results from the virtual lab, are going to be completed correctly. All the questions are going to be answered correctly, and you're going to show understanding of the difference between an independent variable, a dependent variable, and controlled variables. So those are some of our vocab words that we're working on learning, and that's what our PowerPoint that Dr. Hemmer talks about at the beginning is going to go over. So today's assignment has multiple parts. Make sure you're following through and completing each step. Ms. Heights, Ms. Coleman, and myself will be on our Google Meet at 9:45. And we also have links available for you to ask questions to Ms. Heights or Ms. Coleman throughout the whole day. So please make sure if you have any questions that you're joining our live meetings on Google Meet or sending us messages using the Canvas inbox or the phone numbers that we have provided to you in your Contact the Teachers. I hope you have a great rest of your Thursday, and we will see you later.